Now, Aimcat 1318, question number 8. We have to find out combination of the digits a, b, c such that a factorial plus b factorial plus c factorial is a, b, c. Now, this is not a into b into c, it's a combination of 3-digit number, and the digits available to us are 0, 1, 2 up to 9. Now, the first thing I'll start with is the maximum 3-digit number which I can form with this digit is 9, 8, 7. And if I observe, 7 factorial is 5040, and the 8 factorial and 9 factorial is about this. Now, what the significance of right hand side being 987 is that I cannot have 9, 8 and 7 as a part of my left hand side, because the values of these factorials are way beyond the maximum possible 3-digit numbers I can have. So, I can eliminate the possibilities of 8, 9, 7. The maximum I can think of is 0, 1, 2 up to 6, the right hand side. Again, I can still argue for 6 factorial, in the sense 6 factorial is 720, and I can again argue that 6 factorial also cannot be the part of the right hand side, the left hand side. Why? Because 6 factorial is 720, and the left hand side will be, if it is part of the left hand side as well as right hand side, it will be 720 plus something. Now, the maximum number which I can form with 6 will be 654, which is way less than 6 factorial. I cannot use 7 because we have already eliminated the possibility of 7 being part of the left hand side. So, in that sense, I can eliminate the possibility of 6 or 6 factorial as a part of left hand side and right hand side. So, the only possible numbers which are available to me are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is are the factorials of this. Now, I have to use these numbers. Again, what I observe is the maximum sum of the left hand side is a factorial plus b factorial plus c factorial, and these are the possible combination of a, b, c I can take. The maximum sum possible is 150. That means my right hand side cannot go beyond 150. Now, this part I'll take care, and then I'll check the options one by one. For example, the first option is 8. Now, when I say first option is 8, means it's a possible answer to the question that what is the sum of the values of A, B, C. So, among the digits, the combination of 3 digits which will give me sum of the digits or 8 is, first is 0, 2, 0, 3 and 5. The minimum number which I can form with, 3-digit number which I can form with this combination is 305, which is way beyond 150. So, this combination is not possible. The next combination I can think of is 1, 2 and 5. Now, the minimum number which I can form with this digit is 125, which is less than 150. But then the problem is 125 is, if I put it in the digit form, is 5 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 1 factorial, which comes to 120 plus 2 plus 1. The left hand side is coming 123, which is not equal to 125. So, I can eliminate the possibility of this also. The next combination of numbers whose sum is 8 can be 1, 3 and 4. And the minimum number I can form with these 3 digits less than 150 is 134. Maybe 143 also. But in both the cases, the left hand side is 1 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, which is way less than the possible 3-digit number. So, this aspect is not satisfied. So, I can eliminate the possibility of 8 being the answer. The next option, of course, is 10. Now, next option is 10, means the sum of the digit is 10. Now, let's take the combination of the digit which will give me 10. For example, I can have 1, 4 and 5, which is less than 150. And if I check the left hand side, 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial is 120 plus 24 plus 1, which happens to be 145, and which fits into this. And the way the question is asked, I am sure there is only one possible combination, because they ask what is the sum of the values of A, B, C, and this is the combination I can find which is fitting in. That means the number is 145, which fits into this particular aspect of left hand side equal to right hand side, and the sum of the digit is 10. Therefore, I'll mark the answer as B.